Tyree, Sneed. Boom, that shit! Hobo Bat!
Hey, girl, watch your mouth!
Hobo Bat!
Answer the phone, bitch!
Hobo Bat!
Are you fucking retarded?
Hobo Bat!
Let's go!
Hobo Bat!
Go!
Hobo Bat!
Go!
Hobo Bat!
Oh, that's all I got!
Hobo Bat!
There's nobody!
Hobo Bat!
That's what happened!
Hobo Bat!
When you don't let a man talk!
Hobo Bat!
What's up?
Hobo Bat!
Go!
Hobo Bat!
Go!
Hobo Bat!
I run your pussy, bitch. Yeah, I'm who's fucking it. And it's a huge deal. And you want to get on here and pretend ain't happening. You don't fix your lips to say nothing. Value sex. Value life. Be happy. That's it. Enjoy what the fuck you had. You ain't got it no more. You can't find no one to compare me to and no one better than me. It's that simple. That kind of stress for his own woman, any man's own woman, to be constantly saying they're gonna cheat. And it's like some kind of game. I have to stop you from cheating. How does that make sense when I'm the hottest thing walking? You're a 50-year-old ugly bitch that looks like a wolf. Are you fucking serious right now? Bitch, you're delusional.
Hobo Bat!
You get this! We're not leaving! Trust me, bitch!
Hobo Bat!
And guess what? I'm about to hit overtime and get some more hours on a piece of shit job I don't give a fuck about. A no bitch ass nigga in there, and I'm gonna make more fucking money.
Hobo Bat!
Hey, girl, watch your mouth!
Hobo Bat!
Answer the phone, bitch!
Hobo Bat!
Are you fucking retarded?
Hobo Bat!
Let's go!
Hobo Bat!
Go!
Hobo Bat!
Go!
Hobo Bat!
Oh, that's all I got!
Hobo Bat!
Go!
Hobo Bat!
Go!
Hobo Bat!
This is what that bitch triggered by, and all y'all do is my success.
Hobo Bat!
Hey, girl, watch your mouth! Oh, that's all I got! Nobody, you don't want it!